How to replace air filter on a 2012 Mazda 5. Find the air box on the right side, release the two clips, lift and pull out the air filter. You can check if your filter is good by holding it up to the sun and see if you can see the sun. If you can't see it, this is a dirty one. This is a fresh one. You hold it up and you can see it clear. Now slide the filter back in. And close the two clips. That's it. When putting the new filter in, make sure that the two clips here, right there, are in. Otherwise you won't get a good contact.